and welcome to another day in paradise. And welcome to our room tour. As you maybe can hear, the sound isn't too good because we have this whole hallway to ourselves, and then you can enter the first room, which is the bedroom, again with aircon, but this time without a mosquito net, which is not too good. We got bitten quite a few times. There's the closet, and in the closet there also is a safe, and then over here there is our bathroom, the shower. It's okay, you can shower, but it's not too nice and a little bit annoying. Also the tap, sometimes it wouldn't stop, it would just keep going. That was a short one. Sometimes it gets even longer and longer and longer, and the sink is almost flowing over. And then at the end of the hallway we have our Sabrina, and we also have a kitchen and a fridge, so fully equipped again. We actually didn't really cook here, but yeah, nice to have, especially the fridge for cool drinks and stuff like that, and to keep your food good. And then behind me you can see our balcony. Actually it's the second balcony because there's another one next to the bedroom, and this is quite spacious and with a really nice view. The sunset is somewhere over there behind the trees, but still, like, the whole bay was like yellowish, reddish. I actually didn't take any video of that, but it looked really, really good. Now, as I said, we are going to hit the second ferry over to La Digue. See you over there. Let's go. We made it to La Digue Island, and there is little to no traffic on this island. The first thing you want to do is to get a bicycle and then get around and explore. Today we are going to stay on the action camera and just get to know the island for a little bit, and then tomorrow it's going to be a proper tour of all those beautiful beaches around here, because the top ranking beaches of the world are mostly or partly situated on this little island. So make sure to subscribe down below at the bottom, because then you will not miss out on the next videos and see all the beauties. Let's go! This beautiful day comes to an end with a local concert somewhere in the back. We couldn't actually see it, but we can hear it while you're watching the sunset. Tomorrow we are going to make a proper tour around the island, so click the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and do all the crazy stuff you always do on YouTube. I will be in the next video. I hope you will be too. Until then, try to exit 9 to 5, at least in your mind, for a little while. See you over there.